Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name is Taisha, aka Ty, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this pretty date night makeup look. So at first I was going to do something natural because as we know, Bae don't like makeup. He's trying to take us to the pool on the first day, but I was like, you know what? I'm doing a full-on beat anyway. Bae's going to have to like this beat, and he's just going to have to deal with it. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, just keep watching. So I'm starting with foundation. Today I'm using my Fenty Beauty in the shade 370. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I went ahead and I did my eyebrows off camera, but if you guys want to see how I do my brows, I'll put the link in the description box just so you can click on the link to my brow tutorial. Now I'm going to do some highlighting. I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to put that under my eyes, around my mouth, and also underneath where I'm going to contour. Now using my black Opal foundation stick in the shade Hazelnut, I'm going to contour my face. And it wasn't until I contoured that I realized that I forgot to highlight my forehead and my nose. So I'm just going to do that now. Now taking my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend everything all out. And I went back in with my concealer and put that over my eyes just so I can have a base there when it's time for me to put my shadows on. Now using my Sasha Buttercup, I'm just going to set everywhere that I put concealer. Taking my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the shade Medium Deep, I'm going to set the rest of my face. Now I'm going to do a little more contouring, so I'm using my black Radiance press powder in the shade Warm Hazelnut. And y'all know I love my Lena Lashes Lemonade palette, so I'm going to use that to highlight my cheekbones, down my nose and my forehead. And if you've been following my channel, you already know what blush I'm using. Of course, this is MAC's Peachtwist. Now let's get into eyes. I'm going to be using my Morphe 25C palette to do this look. So I'm going to take that first shade, Brook, and I'm going to put that in my crease. So the second shade that I'm putting in my crease is going to be Chloe. Guys, if you haven't checked out Morphe yet, you need to. They have so much affordable stuff and everything is just bomb. You can't beat bomb makeup for a great price. So now I'm going to take Natty and I'm going to put that right in my crease. As you can see, I'm going to use this whole palette for this look. You know me, I don't like using too many different palettes. I usually like to have one palette and go. I mean, there are times when I have to use multiple palettes, but if I don't have to, I won't. And I wanted to darken that crease just a little bit, so I went in with Zaraya just to smoke it out just a little bit more. And now I'm going to take Harper and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm sorry if you keep seeing me turn my head. Don't ask me why. I recorded this tutorial knowing that I love Grey's Anatomy and I was trying to watch that and do my makeup at the same time. If you didn't see last week's episode, you need to because it was so good. So I went ahead and applied my eyeliner and my lashes off camera. Now I'm doing my lips. I am using my Lena Lashes liquid lipstick in the shade Laurent. I love Lena Lashes lipsticks, and this matte red is one of my favorite matte red lipsticks. If you haven't been to their website, you need to check it out. Now to set everything, I'm using my MAC's Fix Plus in Rose. And here's the finished look again, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And if you have any questions or any feedback, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.